Hello everyone and welcome to Stackers Social's YouTube channel. This is actually my very first video that I have filmed for the Stackers Social YouTube channel. I kept meaning to film an introductory video like Silverpunk did when we first started this YouTube channel, but I never actually got around to it. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to film a video today and it's going to be my first video on this channel, and also it's a very, very exciting announcement at the same time. So let's get straight into the video. Now, the announcement that I want to make is on the 1st of March, which is 3 days away from now, at 8 PM on Stackers Social, Silverpunk is going to be holding the very first Stackers Social live auction. Now, for those of you that are already in Stackers Social, you'll already have this penciled in your diaries. But for those of you that are not yet on Discord and on the Stackers Social group, this is a very, very good reason to look to join the Stackers Social community. It's a free to join Discord group. It doesn't cost a penny to join. It's a non-profit group. We don't make money from Stackers Social. Any sponsorships and things that we've had come in all goes back into giveaways. So it's really a great place to join and get involved with. It's just a place where you can meet like-minded people that like stacking precious metals, that like bettering their financial futures, and you can share your pickups and you can stay completely anonymous. As you know from watching my videos, I like to stay anonymous, and as do many people that stack precious metals for the security and safety side of things. And that's the beauty of joining this Discord group. You don't have to put down your telephone number. You don't have to sign up with your real name. You can make up a name. You can add any profile picture you want. And you can chat away with like-minded people, and you can share your pickups to a community that actually wants to see them. How many times have you brought something, a piece of silver or a piece of gold, and you've gone to show your partner or your children, and they've gone, oh yeah, great. That looks great. Yeah, another piece of silver. Whereas this is a completely different mindset group of people where you can post even a standard Britannia, for example, and everyone gets excited because they know that it's another ounce of silver added to your stack. So yeah, definitely consider joining Stackers Social. It'll be great to see you all in the live chat on the 1st of March at 8 PM. For a little bit of fun though, I did this on my other channel, on my main channel, on my 365 channel. I posted a video up. And I said, for a bit of fun, let me know how many pieces of poured silver that Silverpunk himself has poured, and let me know in the comment section. Now, I've actually filmed today's video on this channel using a slightly different angle. So there's actually a couple more pieces that you can probably spot out that Silverpunk has poured. So do let me know in the comment section how many pieces you can see. Silverpunk is becoming a very, very iconic name in the stacking community. His YouTube channel is growing very, very quickly, and he's produced some absolutely incredible work, and he continues to push the boundaries on what you can pour. I'm going to show you a piece that he did for me, a custom piece. I literally sent him one of my children's toys of a bison or buffalo, whatever you like to call it. And he poured it into silver, and he's done an absolutely incredible job. Look at that. Really, really heavy in the hand. I believe it weighs 11 ounces. So one absolute chunk of silver. And that is just an example of Silverpunk's work. He really does like pushing the boundaries. If you're looking for a custom-made piece of silver, he'll be willing to try anything. So just send him a little message and let him know what you're interested in. But I guarantee you're going to see something you're interested in that is already poured on the auction on the 1st of March. Now, I'm going to leave today's video by showcasing a list of all the different pieces of silver that Silverpunk has designed and poured that are going to be up for sale on this auction. So thanks so much for watching today's video. Please head over to Stackers Social and get involved, and I look forward to seeing you all on the 1st of March.